Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Namrita, and on this channel I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates and free courses. So if you're new here, you can just explore my channel and check out the videos and on the notification bell for latest updates. And you can follow my social media handles for more. So in my previous video, I have explained everything about Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.0, that is how to apply, what are the eligibility, what are the deadlines and what courses to be completed. So in this video, I'll tell how to complete the courses, how to access the courses, how you can complete the courses, and you need to complete your courses by May 5. So I'll show you how you can complete the courses. So if you start from today, then only you can complete it by May 5 possibly. If you start early, you don't have to rush at the last moment. So daily you can spend few hours for learning this. Then you can complete it by May 5 and you can get shortlisted for it. So I'll show you how to access the courses. So I'll give this link. You can just come here and you can access the courses. Like if I selected Python technology stack, so I'll show this. And before going to this, if you have not applied it, go and apply it first and know about it. Then come to this video. So I'll give the video in the description or in the I button. You can check out from there. So let's see how to access the course. So you can come to this page and here you can see the list of courses. There are total of 5. You can choose anything. I chose Python technology stack. So I'll click on that. So here you can see. So here are some list of courses. You can see the hours of the course also. So plan accordingly because you need to complete it by May 5. So based on that, you plan accordingly and complete the courses. So like for now, see how to access the course. These are the course, right? Click on that and you can click on start. Here are the contents, like what you will be learning in this course. So this is of total 43 hours, 20 modules you will have, one assessment. Okay, just click on start. So here you might get some sort of videos to watch. Give video, you need to watch it completely, and they may also give material like this. You just need to read them. You can just go slide by slide. And here are the contents. You will be having 20 modules in this. So you can just see here and you can move forward like this. And you will be having small assessments of duration 5 minutes. In each module, you will be having that. You need to attempt it. You don't have to on your camera for this assessments. In a similar way, you can go one after one. And if something is not being marked, like although you complete it, but it's not being marked, what you can do is just click on this and then click on mark as complete. But I recommend you to do it completely. Learn from that. And if it's not being marked, then only you mark it. And without doing to get into the internship, don't do that. Like that won't be effective. Remember one thing, don't do it for just certificate. Learn something from it so that you can improve a lot. You can get into good internships later on. So in this way, they'll be having assessment, you can see, and at the final, you will be having final assessment that will be of longer duration of something 1 hour or 45 minutes. You can click on start and the test will be started. And after completion of the course, here you can download your certificate. Here you'll get an I button. From there you can download and view. And certificate will be usually generated within 48 to 72 hours of completing the course. And they already mentioned this status may take few minutes to reflect if you have made progress on some courses in content recently. Like if you are doing any course but it's not being marked here, it might take some time, so don't worry about it. So in the similar way, and here also you'll get notified to your mail once you get the certificate, or here from here also you can know if you got the certificate. And in the similar way you can do for all other courses. You can check artificial intelligence and do these courses. And if you need any, or if you stuck anywhere, you can just mail to the support team. This is the mail which they gave. If you mail, they will resolve your problem, and that's it. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'll surely reply to everyone. And one more thing, in my upcoming video, I'm going to bring an internship opportunity where you can get free accommodation, free training, and also you can get the placement support. So stay tuned for that video. And if you don't want to miss that opportunity, just subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share with your friends. It might be helpful for them. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.